Welcome to OrthoCarolina's telehealth DME team. You're about to receive a lot of information. So remember, you will receive an insert in your product that tells you step-by-step instructions on how to use the product.
Lay the brace next to your leg and adjust the length from mid-thigh to slightly above the ankle. Do this by pressing a button and sliding it to adjust. Next, you will want to unfasten the buckle on each strap. Lay the brace out flat and place the brace under your leg so the hinges align with the bend in your knee. You will probably notice the straps are not wide enough. Start by flipping the brace over.
You'll notice that you need to increase the width of the brace. What you'll do is pull the Velcro away from the bar and place it into the middle of the strap.
Place your leg back in the brace. Start by buckling the two straps closest to the knee. Followed by the strap on the thigh and then the strap on the calf. Now it is time to tighten the straps for a snug fit.
For any strap that feels loose, you're going to go back to the beginning of the strap that we adjusted earlier and give it a nice firm tug until it feels secure around your leg. If you notice that the Velcro is touching the bar, what you'll do is pull the Velcro back, remove the Velcro from each side, roll or fold it back, and replace the Velcro.
If your physician has instructed you to keep the brace locked while up and moving, then you can utilize the quick and easy drop lock located at the top of the hinge. Simply straighten the leg and push in the black button and slide it down into the brace so it locks. You may refer to your handout if you need to adjust the flexion and extension settings. We have currently set the brace to the appropriate degree. You're all set.
Thank you for spending time with us today. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 704-323-2462.